Pastor Dlamini gets arrested for a murder he did not commit. Philile learns that her husband got arrested for killing Mabizela and she's devastated. Uzwele to break in Jackson's room to kill him, but he finds no one. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on smoke and mirrors. So the police came to the scene, Mabizela, and they arrested Pastor Dlamini because he, like, all the evidence points to him. He keeps on saying he did not do it. He did not do it, but the police are just, Captain is just like, you know what, you have the right to remain silent. Everything you say will be used against you in court, blah, blah, all that ish. At home, they're worried, Baba. And then finally, Philile gets a call. Mandla calls, phones him, tells him, I was arrested for Bulal Mabizela. The police are suspecting me, but I did not do it. Philile is devastated. They get dressed and go to the police station. No, Fanyana, no, Kayise. Captain Uyafika explains to them, hey, Pastor Dlamini got arrested last night for kubulala uMabizela. Fanyana no Kayise, they're like, no, there's no way, Baba would never do that. But Captain Utiazini, all the evidence points out to him. So we're keeping him in custody and angwazi ukumbona. Philile is devastated, like she couldn't even hold it. Ngaphihlika njengesililo. And then uCaptain questions Pastor Dlamini ke ukuthi yazini, you need to confess, mhlawumbe ijaji uzokuzwela akunikeza isigwebo esincane. Pastor Dlamini keeps on saying ukuthi yazini, I did not kill uMabizela. I went there to give him imali. Martha gave us money so that we can, the 100K, so that we can pay off his credit to scare Somgami. I went there just to pay him off, but mangifela phanga mthola ukuthi already he was stabbed and I tried to save him, but your fingerprints are all over the weapon. Yes, I tried to pull it out to stop the bleeding, but yazini, Pastor, all the evidence points out to you and you had a motive because uMabizela, and there's also witnesses that say you threatened him, you fought with him at the hotel and threatened him to kill him. Yes, just because he said he wants to sleep with my wife, but I would never kill anyone. But things are not really looking good for Pastor Dlamini, hey? And then I was ready to Notando, so the plan was they need to just finish off with Jackson once and for all so that they can focus on their baby in peace. Who's ready to goes and breaks in hotel room Jackson to kill him and finish him off, but finds it's vacant, akunamuntu. In the morning, Martha realized ukuthi and then Martha phones Jackson to tell him ukuthi yazini, vele uhlale la ukhona, you are safer there. Someone tried break into your room last night. Obviously, uzwele to nothandiswa. So you better stay there and be safe. Jackson, yes, I'm so bored here. I'm even like chopping wood. I'm so bored. There's mosquitoes, there's bugs. Yazini, those mosquitoes and bugs are better off than here. Because la, you won't make it. They plan was what are we going to do? I think some Toranjan, because we don't know where he is. Mhlambe he has fled the country. We know what we need to use Martha. Martha will tell us. Martha knows where he is. Martha will tell us where he is. And then Abangani, they try to intervene, saying to Mami Kutuyazin, Bageshi does not even know that you're pregnant. So when like we don't think that you should be seeing him. But Mamik is like, you know what, now I'm not, who talked about love here? I mean, I just want his money, then I want his money. She's busy enjoying soft life and then gets an experience that shocks her. He wants them to do some tonton intimacy, which leaves Umamiki a bit shocked. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.